Hi everyone, it's Dr. Mika here again from Shepperton Chiropractic Clinic, bringing you the Spinal Fact, which is a little thought-provoking weekly video snippet aimed at just getting you thinking and hopefully enlightening you on some of the finer aspects of chiropractic treatment and what we can do. So this week I wanted to bring your attention to sporting injuries. Very popular choice, unfortunately, sporting injuries, and tend to be disheartening and frustrating. But there's lots and lots of stuff you can do about it, really. I think the big thing here is, again, understanding what causes the injuries and how to prevent it. So the biggest problem that misconception I suppose that people have is that sports injuries happen to you. They think that they're absolutely fine until there is some external thing that happens, and then all of a sudden they're injured and they can't continue. And unfortunately, about 99.9% of the time, that is wrong, completely wrong even. Sports injuries, they're a process. They take a long time to brew. They come on over a period of time as a result of your faulty posture, your faulty technique, your faulty form, and therefore the resulting muscular imbalances, the repetitive strains, various other dysfunctions can take root and then over time become problematic. Now obviously oftentimes there is a definitive sudden onset of pain, but usually when we ask a few questions it turns out that this problem has been gradually brewing up, and that was literally the last straw, the proverbial last straw that broke the camel's back, really, whatever that may have been. And as such, you can do a lot to prevent it. You can do a lot to prevent sports injuries. The biggest thing is awareness. So learning to appreciate good form, learning to appreciate your good technique is absolutely the most important thing, because that is how you can really prevent injuries and how you can actually improve your performance as well at the same time. So, and if you are injured, if you're training for the spring marathons or anything like that, or the up and coming triathlon season, whatever it may be, and you're struggling with an injury and it's something you've had before, chances are you're doing exactly the same thing as you've been doing for years up until now. You haven't changed, you haven't learned, and hence the injuries keep rolling in. So until we sort out the injury, which is your sort of short-term relief, and that's what your friendly sports chiropractor can help you with, or even a physio or osteopath or masseur, whatever it may be. But that's our job, to get you over the initial acute injury. And yeah, that will get you feeling better. That will get you back to training. Where you got to start changing things and mixing things up is your medium term. So you really have to look at your technique. You have to analyze what it was that really brought on the injury in the first place, and then you got to change it. And oftentimes it's not difficult. Like I said, it just takes awareness. And this kind of thing, this is again where your friendly sports chiropractor can help you out with, to a huge degree, give you ideas, things to try and things to point you down a new road, as it were, a new path, and help you basically change the outcome in the future. And I think the third stage is my favorite stage. That's literally when you become a rock star. You have enhanced your athletic ability, so you become injury proof. You no longer suffer injuries because you're above them. You can get away with the odd bad thing. You can train hard. You can race hard, and you won't get hurt because you're injury proof. And that is my favorite patient to treat as well. So if you're interested in doing something like that, just get in touch. I'd be happy to help, and it's pretty much next best thing to guaranteed that we can help in one way or the other. Now there's a fair bit more on the topic. I'll put a little link to one of my blog posts in the comments field, so feel free, have a look and see what you think. And do feel free to comment and like and share as well. All right, we'll talk again soon. Bye now.